Toolwiz's upgraded rubber wrenches provide a secure grip on objects without causing scratches or damage. Designed to wrap around items of any shape, they make tightening and loosening effortless. These adjustable wrenches are crafted from durable, reinforced thick rubber straps with embedded wires for added strength and longevity. They are versatile, suitable for plumbing work, opening jars, removing oil filters, and various automotive tasks. The large wrench accommodates up to a 6-inch diameter, while the smaller one fits up to 4 inches. Both feature an ergonomic, non-slip handle, ensuring a comfortable and firm grip, making them ideal for plumbers and mechanics. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hackzall is a compact yet powerful reciprocating saw designed for one-handed use in tight spaces. Its power-state brushless motor delivers fast cutting speeds and extended tool life, making it ideal for wood metal and PVC. The dual-gear counterbalance mechanism significantly reduces vibration, enhancing precision and user comfort. With RedLink Plus intelligence, the tool prevents overloading and overheating, ensuring optimal performance. Its lightweight design and ergonomic grip make it a versatile must-have for professionals and DIYers alike. Makita Sprayer is a dependable tool designed for effortless mist or jet spraying across various applications. Featuring a 1.3-gallon tank, it is ideal for applying pesticides, insecticides, herbicides, fungicides, and fertilizers. The motor ensures consistent pressure of up to 38 psi with adjustable rotating spray and jet nozzles, delivering 19 to 38 psi. Powered by a single 18V battery, it can spray up to 90 gallons per charge. A locking mechanism on the handle allows for continuous operation, while the telescoping spray tube, adjustable from 20 to 27 inches, enhances reach and storage convenience. Designed for comfort, it includes a shoulder strap for easy carrying and features a weatherproof build with advanced dust and water resistance technology. Ryobi 1+18 V cordless LED flashlight is a lightweight and powerful work light that delivers up to 280 lumens for bright, focused illumination. Its rotating head allows for multiple lighting angles, making it perfect for workshops, garages, and outdoor use. The energy-efficient LED bulb provides long-lasting brightness without excessive power drain. As part of the Ryobi 1+ system, it's compatible with all 18-volt Ryobi batteries, offering cordless convenience. With its durable construction and ergonomic grip, it's an essential tool for professionals and DIYers alike. DEWALT 10-inch table saw with a 32.5-inch rip capacity and a roller stand is designed for cutting various shelving trim materials and making precise, narrow cuts. It features a rack and pinion fence system that allows for smooth, accurate, and quick adjustments. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor, it effortlessly cuts through hardwood, offering a 3 1/8-inch cutting depth at 90 degrees and 2 1/4-inch at 45 degrees. The sturdy mobile stand ensures easy setup, teardown, and superior stability. A 2-inch dust collection port conveniently connects to a vacuum to minimize mess, while the spacious tabletop provides excellent material support. Additionally, the built-in storage system keeps accessories and the push stick easily accessible when not in use. This 42-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set is a must-have for DIYers, offering versatility and convenience in one compact kit. The multi-bit design covers a wide range of tasks, from furniture assembly to computer and bicycle repairs. Its detachable ratchet handle provides smooth operation and improved torque for effortless screw driving. The magnetic drive ensures secure bit retention, preventing slips and lost screws. Packed in a portable case, this set is perfect for home, garage, or on-the-go repairs. Effortlessly handle pipe and conduit work with precision using the Greenlee magnetic torpedo level specifically designed for electricians. This professional-grade tool features a bending device along with 4 large vials for enhanced accuracy. Its compact V-groove design allows for easy mounting on curved surfaces, while rare earth magnets provide a strong and secure grip, enabling hands-free use on metal surfaces. The cutouts on top offer a clear view of the vials from multiple angles, ensuring easy readability. Additionally, laser-etched markings for corners and rulers allow for quick and precise measurements. Made from anodized aluminum, this lightweight yet durable level is waterproof and built for long-lasting performance. HUEPAR Laser Level is a game-changer for precision work, offering a bright 100-foot self-leveling green cross line for flawless alignment. Whether hanging pictures, tiling, or tackling DIY projects, its accuracy ensures professional results. The 360-degree magnetic base allows for stable mounting on metal surfaces, making hands-free operation effortless. With a durable design and included battery, it's ready to use straight out of the box. Ideal for both beginners and pros, this tool simplifies indoor construction and decoration, Sprayer Portable Electric Welder is a compact yet powerful tool designed for consistent and reliable performance. It offers an adjustable welding output ranging from 20 to 120 amps with a simple push-button operation and 6 adjustable current settings for precise control. The closed-loop feedback system ensures stable voltage output, reducing damage and improving efficiency. Designed for easy arc ignition with minimal spatter, it provides smooth welds and supports electrodes from 3/32 inch to 1/8 inch diameter. Additionally, the advanced air intake and intelligent heat dissipation system enhance durability, while its lightweight portable design allows for one-handed operation. Hollywell Micro Sander Kit is perfect for precision sanding in tight and narrow spaces, making it a must-have for DIYers and craftsmen. Its ergonomic 3.5-inch by 1-inch handle ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for better control on small projects and detailed work. The set includes 50 sandpaper sheets and grits from 80 to 400, covering everything from rough shaping to fine polishing. Whether working on wood finishing crafts or refinishing furniture, this kit delivers smooth, professional results. Durable, efficient, and easy to use, it's an essential tool for detailed sanding tasks. Bosch 18-volt cordless bandsaw is one of the most compact in its class, allowing for comfortable and efficient work, even in tight spaces. With a large cutting depth of up to 2.5 inches, it's perfect for cutting metal, plastic tubing, and aluminum profiles. The belt speed reaches up to 531 feet per minute, and tool-free blade changes make adjustments quick and easy using a tension release and metal clips on the guard. For added convenience, it features vibration-free blade movement and LED illumination to improve visibility. Additionally, thermal overload protection automatically shuts down the tool if the battery temperature exceeds safe limits, ensuring long-lasting performance. Camdios Glass Bottle Cutter is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts looking to repurpose glass bottles into creative projects. Designed for precision, it easily cuts wine, beer, whiskey, and champagne bottles with a smooth, clean edge. Its upgraded design ensures stability and adjustability, making it user-friendly for beginners and professionals alike. Whether crafting candle holders, vases, or decorative pieces, this tool transforms waste into art. Durable, efficient, and fun to use, it's a must-have for eco-conscious creators. Milwaukee M18 Volt Force Logic 12 T Utility Crimper is a powerful cordless crimping tool designed for professional utility work. Equipped with 12 tons of output force, it ensures precise and secure crimps on a variety of connectors. The M18 Red Lithium battery system provides long-lasting performance, while the One Key technology allows for real-time tracking and tool customization. Its balanced ergonomic design reduces user fatigue, making it ideal for heavy-duty electrical applications. Built for efficiency and durability, it's a game-changer for utility professionals. Stanley Folding Workbench is perfect for those who need a full-sized workstation without sacrificing space. When folded, it measures just 20 centimeters deep, but when opened, it provides a sturdy 90 by 45 centimeters work surface. Designed for wall mounting, it transforms into a fully equipped workstation with a perforated panel for easy tool organization, keeping screwdrivers, pliers, and other essentials within reach. Installation is quick and hassle-free, with all necessary brackets and screws included. Built with a durable MDF surface, it supports up to 100 kilograms, ensuring long-lasting reliability for any project. EnCase is a compact and practical toolkit designed for cycling enthusiasts. The set includes 2 durable plastic cases with rubberized elements, each containing a versatile multi-tool essential for cyclists. What makes these cases unique is their space-saving design, as they fit directly into the handlebars, ensuring quick and easy access to the tools when needed. One case houses a screwdriver with multiple essential bits, while the other contains a multi-purpose wrench with a rotary head and glass breaker. Additionally, the kit includes an Allen key and a chain wrench. The combined weight of the cases and tools is 4.5 pounds, making it a lightweight yet indispensable addition to any cyclist's gear.